Want to add a touch of luxury to your everyday life? These Amazon essentials combine style, comfort, and convenience to make your daily routine feel effortlessly elevated. From home upgrades to premium must-haves, they're perfect for living your best life. All product links are in the description below. Turn any chair or bed into a personal spa. This full-body massage mat combines a shiatsu neck pillow, 10 vibration motors, and 4 heating pads to melt away tension from head to toe. You can target your neck, shoulders, back, and legs, or enjoy a full-body session. The heat soothes sore muscles while the massage eases stress. Perfect for relaxing after work or unwinding before bed. Tired hands deserve better than a quick rub. This cordless hand massager wraps your entire hand, fingers, palm, and wrist in soothing heat and gentle compression. With 3 massage modes and 5 pressure levels, it's like having a personal hand therapist on call. Great for arthritis, carpal tunnel, or just long hours on a keyboard. Heats up fast, runs cordless for hours, and fits even larger hands comfortably. No wires, no hassle, just light exactly where you need it. These cordless wall lights snap on with magnets and rotate 360 degrees, so you can aim the glow in any direction. Use the remote, or just tap to switch between cozy, warm, soft, neutral, or bright white light. They're dimmable too, making them perfect for bedtime reads or work from bed days. And with built-in rechargeable batteries, you won't be hunting for plugs anytime soon. Trash Duty just got an upgrade. This smart trash conceals the bag for you with one press. No tying, no mess. Once the old bag lifts out, it automatically lines up a fresh one, so you're always ready to go. The lid opens with a wave thanks to a motion sensor, keeping things totally touch-free. It even talks you through it with voice prompts. Turn your ceiling into a window to the cosmos. This galaxy projector brings space right into your bedroom with 13 stunning film discs. From planets to nebulae to deep space wonders. It rotates 360 degrees, filling your walls with stars and motion. Adjust the focus to get crystal clear images and set a timer so it fades out when you fall asleep. It's like having your own personal planetarium. No telescope required. Late-night bathroom trips just got smarter. This toilet light activates automatically when you close the lid, using UV technology to help freshen and sanitize the bowl. No sprays or scrubbing required. When the lid opens, it shuts off instantly for safety and efficiency. It's waterproof, easy to install, and blends right in with your bathroom setup. A clean seat, a soft glow, and zero effort required. This isn't just an AB machine, it's your personal gym in one sleek chair. It targets your upper, middle, and lower abs with full range motion, plus hits your obliques with a built-in twisting seat. Spring-assisted support helps you bounce back after every rep, making it great for beginners and pros alike. You can row, curl, or tone your arms and legs using the pulley system. This kitchen sink isn't just smart, it's downright genius. With a waterfall faucet, built-in cup washer, and a sleek control panel that feels more like a piano than plumbing, it turns dish duty into something almost enjoyable. The stainless steel body resists scratches and smudges, while the temperature display keeps things safe and steady. No batteries required. Two heads are better than one, especially when it comes to staying cool. This dual-head desk fan gives you double the airflow and full control with multi-angle rotation. Whether you're at your desk, in bed, or out camping, you can tilt, swivel, or hang it exactly how you like. It's got 4 quiet speed settings and a soft LED light for nighttime use. Portable, powerful, and USB rechargeable, it goes wherever you do. Craving cafe-quality espresso on the go? This pocket-sized machine delivers it. No cords, no batteries, just your hands. Add hot water, pop in a capsule, and pump the handle to brew rich, creamy espresso with a layer of smooth crema. It's built with eco-friendly materials and stays cool to the touch, even right after brewing. Whether you're camping or commuting, your perfect shot travels with you. Your bathroom faucet just got a futuristic upgrade. This LED faucet changes color with water temperature, so you always know what you're touching. No surprises. The pull-out sprayer rotates 360 degrees and offers 4 flow modes, perfect for rinsing, shaving, or even cleaning the sink. No batteries needed. The light powers itself. It's sleek, smart, and turns an everyday task into a high-tech moment. Looks like a mirror, works like your personal fitness studio. This smart fitness mirror blends seamlessly into your space, but behind the glass is a 22-inch HD touchscreen that streams guided workouts straight to your wall. Strength, HIIT, yoga, you name it. You'll see your trainer and yourself side by side to mirror form and posture. Comes with dumbbells, a barbell, and built-in storage so everything stays sleek and tidy. Sound you can actually see. This magnetic fluid visualizer reacts in real time to music and ambient noise, creating a hypnotic dance of motion inside a clear chamber. It's not a speaker. It listens to the beat and brings it to life through fluid movement. Use it with your favorite tracks, or just let it respond to the room. With rechargeable power and multiple modes, it's part art, part science, and 100% conversation starter. Time just got way cooler. This digital hourglass lights up with flowing LED sand that mimics a real hourglass, but with a futuristic twist. Set any time between 1 and 30 minutes, flip it, and watch as the lights cascade down in a calming display. It's great for kids, focus sessions, or just winding down. Plus, it doubles as a sleek nightlight and a fun piece of decor. A vacuum that cleans and tidies up? Yep, this robot's got a mechanical arm that lifts small items like socks and tissues out of the way before it starts cleaning. It's smart enough to detect obstacles, avoid tangles, and mop your floors with hot water to tackle stubborn messes. Powerful suction grabs dirt from carpets and corners. And when it's done, it empties itself and washes its own mop. Total hands-off cleaning. Even trash cans are getting smarter. This slim, motion sensor bin opens automatically with just a wave of your hand. No touching, no hassle. It's splash-proof, seals in odors, and won't randomly pop open thanks to its delay-sensing tech. The sleek design fits perfectly in tight bathroom corners or under desks. Plus, the built-in liner ring keeps bags neat and hidden, so it always looks tidy. No more guessing if your drink's too hot or already cold. This smart water bottle shows the exact temperature with a simple tap on the lid, thanks to a hidden LED display. It's vacuum insulated to keep drinks hot or cold for hours, and the leak-proof lid means no spills in your bag. The stainless steel build is tough, BPA-free, and easy to clean. Sleek, simple, and ready to travel with you anywhere. Waking up doesn't have to feel like a fire drill. This sunrise alarm clock gently brightens the room like a natural sunrise, so you wake up feeling calm instead of start LED. It also plays soothing white noise to help you drift off and offers multiple sleep timers. 2 alarms, a snooze button, and adjustable brightness make it fully customizable for any sleep schedule. Plus, there's even a USB port to charge your phone overnight. Want just one glass without wasting the whole bottle? This wine preservation system lets you pour without ever pulling the cork. A thin needle slips through the top, pressurizes the bottle, and pours your wine like magic, while the rest stays CLED and fresh for weeks, months, or even longer. It even has an aerator that mimics an hour-long decant in seconds. No mess, no oxygen, just perfectly preserved wine every time. Salon results without the salon trip? That's the magic of this smart nail device. It scans your nails with 3D precision, then paints and dries them in just 20 minutes, while you sit back and relax. No mess, no shaky hands, no appointments. The AI adjusts to your exact nail shape for a flawless, glossy finish every time. It's like having a professional manicurist in a box. Why settle for a boring nightlight when you can light up the room with color and control it from your bed? This LED lamp brings your space to life with 6 different shades, perfect for setting the mood or helping kids drift off to sleep. It charges by USB, so you can unplug and use it anywhere, like during a blackout or on vacation. Compact, stylish, and totally kid-friendly. A nightlight that actually feels fun. Printing on the go just got seriously cool. This handheld printer lets you mark anything: boxes, bottles, t-shirts, metal, plastic, even rough surfaces, with clear text, barcodes, QR codes, and more. It's got a crisp 4.3-inch touchscreen and uses fast-drying ink that won't smudge. You can load files from a USB stick or type directly on the screen. Whether you're labeling batches or customizing gear, it fits right in your hand and gets the job done fast. Showers just got a futuristic upgrade. This digital shower set adds sleek style and smart features to your daily routine. The piano-style buttons give you full control at a single touch. No more fumbling with knobs. A digital display shows water temperature in real time, while ambient lighting sets the mood. It's made from space aluminum, so it's rust-resistant, modern, and built to last. Meet your kid's new favorite teacher, who also happens to be a robot. This mechanical buddy walks kids through how to draw cute objects, spell simple words, and even solve basic math problems. Just place a card in front of it, and it springs to life with step-by-step instructions. It chats casually, like a friendly tutor that never gets tired. Learning suddenly feels more like playtime than homework. Ever wish your laptop could multitask like your brain does? Now it can, with this clever screen extender that turns your laptop into a full triple display setup. Just attach it, connect via USB-C or HDMI, and enjoy 3 display modes to suit your needs. Each screen is full HD, folds flat, and adjusts independently. It's plug and play, ultra portable, and boosts your productivity wherever you work. Want your car to feel like a party on wheels? These interior LED lights let you pick from millions of colors, sync to your music, and control it all straight from your phone. The 2-line design makes installation easy and keeps things tidy. No messy wires. Whether you're cruising at night or stuck in traffic, the lights pulse and glow to your beat. It's like giving your car a whole new vibe. Hate folding laundry? Now you don't have to. This smart folding machine takes over the chore, neatly folding and gently ironing up to 30 garments in just 4 minutes. It automatically detects fabric types and adjusts for the perfect fold every time, whether it's cotton, polyester, or wool. The sleek, compact design fits right into any room. You load the clothes, it does the rest.